Today I am going to show you how to set up your AlgoBee trading bot so that you can make profit automatically, because a lot of people have been asking me, hey Tom, I am not really familiar with what AlgoBee is or how it works, so how do I set it up and make profit just like other members of the official Floronics Discord channel? Because a lot of members in the official Discord channel are making profits, so you too can make profits. And for our newbies who doesn't know what AlgoBee is, well, AlgoBee is a Telegram-based crypto trading bot that connects to your crypto exchange via API key. And after the connection, AlgoBee executes trade on behalf of you automatically. You don't even have to lift a finger. You don't have to know how trading works to be able to use AlgoBee trading bot. All what you have to do is to follow the instruction, set it up, and watch your profit grows. And that's exactly how a lot of members on the official Discord channel are able to grow their accounts. There are some people, like in the case of user Sarah, who is able to make 83 USDT. Her ratio is able to make up to 150 USDT, and Kechi is able to make 1.2 USDT. Emmanuel made 42 USDT, and Michael, wow, 1948 USDT. So these are people using this trading bot on Telegram. They were all newbies, just like you if you are a newbie. So you can see whenever a transaction is being closed, AlgoBee will automatically send notification to the official Discord channel so that everyone can see the profit of what others are making. So we can see others with tiny profit, like last position being closed by 0.2, Reha position, Awum's position closed with 1.2 USDT. So the more capital you have, the more profit you will make. This is Sarah's position. And if you scroll up on the Discord, link is going to be in the description. You are going to see a lot of users who are able to generate a lot of profit from these Telegram bots known as AlgoBee trading bot. You can see Rose position with 2.1 USDT. You can see Akan's position with 1.1 USDT, and the list keeps going. And also Ajomide's position with 33 USDT. So these are real profits. There are people that makes up to 5,000 USDT a month using AlgoBee trading bot. I am super excited to show you how to set up this AlgoBee for profitability. It's going to be amazing. So stay tuned. Take a cup of coffee. Let's dive in. There are two ways in which you can activate your AlgoBee trading bot. The good part is that you don't even need a computer, just like me. You can use your mobile phone to do this process. And the process of using a computer and a mobile phone are the same. So you don't have to worry. In this tutorial, I'm going to use my personal computer throughout this tutorial. You can do well to follow it through your mobile phone, and it's going to be the same way. So to activate your AlgoBee, the first step is going to be to navigate to floronics.com, link in the description. And when you get to your floronics.com, click on products and then click on learn more. And then once it opens the learn more, this is the introduction video of AlgoBee. You can navigate to read more about what AlgoBee is and how it works. Click on get started or click on activate now. In my case, I'm going to click on get started, and it is going to navigate to your Telegram. Then click on open Telegram app if you are on a computer, and if you are on your mobile phone, it is going to directly open your Telegram app. And then once it opens your Telegram app, click on start. That's the first step. Congratulations for completing your first step. And the second step is to navigate to your Telegram, and then under your search bar you can search for AlgoBee trading bot without space, and you are going to see your AlgoBee trading bot right here. So click on it, click on start, and immediately you click on start, it is going to prompt you with a message like this asking you for your names. Provide your names. I am Tom, the developer of AlgoBee trading bot, so I'm going to type my name as Tom, the developer. Okay, and then my email address, I'm going to type my email address, tom@floronics.com, and then type my country as Nigeria. Great. So it is going to prompt you with the details that you've provided, which is your full name, my name as Tom the developer, and my email address. The next thing is going to be for you to click on settings to link your exchange. But before clicking on settings to link your exchange, click on any of the available exchanges. In this case, we highly recommend that you go with Bitget. So if you do not have an account with Bitget, click on Bitget from here, and it is going to navigate you to Bitget official website in which you can open an account. Remember to click on the link to use the official recommendation link of Floronics to sign up on your Bitget, because there are benefits for me and you. Okay, so click on the link and then sign up on your Bitget, and when you are done signing up, click on settings, and when you click on settings, it's going to show you two different strategies. So it says choose a strategy to edit settings. There are two strategies: progressive HFT strategy and the momentum strategy. So these are different strategies in which I am going to explain how you can use this strategy to maximize your profit efficiently. So at this moment, let's click on progressive HFT strategy, and it is going to prompt you with these details right here. You can read more about these details on the description of this video. I'm also going to explain what these details is all about. So at this moment, we are going to create an API key on our Bitget that we are going to use to connect to our AlgoBee trading bot, so that our AlgoBee trading bot will be able to execute trade automatically for us. So let's do that right now. Remember your cup of coffee beside you while we create our API key on Bitget. After signing up, verify your accounts and you will be able to create your API key. In my case, I've already signed up on Bitget. I am just going to log in and then we are going to create our API key together. But if you are doing this using your mobile phone, take note that you are going to access Bitget on the web version. I think their app allow creating API key, but I haven't confirmed that yet. You can check that by yourself, but it is recommended to log in Bitget on the web version while creating your API key on your mobile phone. After signing up on your Bitget, click on your profile at this point when you log in, and then click on manage API keys or create API keys or API. Anywhere you see APIs here, okay, it is going to open like this. In my case, I already have this AlgoBee server and AlgoBee API created. So in your case, you might not have any API key created, so you have to create a new API key by clicking on create API key, and then click on system generated API key. Type a note that you can remember that this API key is meant for AlgoBee trading. So I'm going to type here AlgoBee API key, and then passphrase is what your AlgoBee will require from you. So your passphrase can be anything within 8 to 32 characters. So I'm going to type here AlgoBee trading as the passphrase, and then permission is going to be read and write. Take note of the permission, read and write. And then under permission type name, just click on it to mark all the things here except withdrawal. You see, withdrawal should not be allowed. So when you are done, then click on next, and then verify with your passkey, in which I'm going to verify with my passkey. If you've not added the passkey, it's going to ask you to verify with your email address. Once you are done, it is going to output your API key as well as API secret, which is these two keys that you are seeing here. Take note that this your API key should be kept secret because it's something confidential. You don't have to share it with anybody. I am just sharing you this my API key because I am going to delete this API key immediately this video is complete. So take note of your API key as well as your API secret, because that is what we are going to use to connect our AlgoBee trading bot to our Bitget exchange. So copy your API key and save it somewhere, and copy your API secret, also save it somewhere. So I've copied my API key, and then I am going to navigate to my AlgoBee, and then once I get to AlgoBee, you can click on start again, or you click on settings and then click on progressive HFT strategy, which is the first strategy we are going to link our exchange. You can link a different exchange to the progressive HFT strategy as well as the momentum strategy. You can also link the same exchange. Those strategies are different trading algorithms, in which I am going to explain to you later in this video. So for now, we are going to link our exchange by clicking on this exchange none, and your AlgoBee is going to prompt you to send your API key. So you send the API key you created from your Bitget exchange, and then navigate to where you save your API secret key from Bitget and then paste it in your AlgoBee trading bot. Here you are going to send your passphrase. Not all exchanges support passphrase or require that you put a passphrase, but in the case of Bitget, passphrase is required when you are creating your API keys. So can you recall my passphrase? It was AlgoBee trading. So I'm going to type here AlgoBee trading and then click on enter, and this is going to take some time to evaluate, and then my exchange is connected. Great. So you can see Bitget right now is the exchange that is being linked to my progressive HFT settings for trading all pairs. So if I click on menu again and then click on settings and then click on progressive HFT strategy again and wait for some time, it is going to update the balance I have in my exchange. It is 1035 USDT at the moment. So that's how you can link your crypto exchange to your AlgoBee trading bot. But we are not done yet. We want to give our AlgoBee permission to execute trade on behalf of us. Before I go ahead and show you how to do that, I am going to explain to you what are the difference between progressive HFT strategy and then momentum strategy, because if you click on your settings, it's going to prompt you which strategy do you want to set up. So the progressive HFT strategy is a normal strategy that you can trade. It is based on genetic algorithms and statistical arbitrage. It's combined a lot of algorithms to execute trade for you. It uses genetic algorithm to optimize the trade, backtest in past data, and select the effective trading parameters that's going to make huge profit. This is done on the background automatically. So the momentum strategy is a strategy that you only need to run in a specific time, maybe in a situation where the market is bearish or bullish. Like if you navigate to the official Discord channel, you are going to see some notification from AlgoBee. This notification might be trading of users who are using AlgoBee, like when their trades are closed and profit that they have made. And sometimes it will also be the current status of the markets when the market change from bullish to bearish and from bearish to bullish. So in that case, AlgoBee is going to send you notification. It's also going to send to the official Discord telling you that the crypto market is bearish or bullish. So if you receive a notification like this, and then while confirming that the crypto market is actually changing from bearish to bullish, when it is red and then suddenly it becomes green, or when it is green and suddenly the whole market becomes red, you know that that is signifying a change from bearish to bullish or from bullish to bearish. So in that case, you can decide to turn on your momentum strategy to take advantage of that change in the market. If it is changing from bearish to bullish, you can turn on your momentum strategy. More on that as we proceed. But before then, let's go ahead and set up our progressive HFT strategy for profitability. So click on your menu and then click on settings and then click on progressive HFT strategy. And this auto instance is where you can tell your AlgoBee to automatically select trading pairs that it is going to trade. So the max auto instance is where you can select AlgoBee, I want you to trade only one instance or two instances. So that's what you can put it here. Take note that for 100 USDT deposit, you only need one instance. Then for $200, two instances. For $300, three instances, and the list keeps going on. Okay, so if you have a higher capital, like from 1,000 and above, 10,000, 50k and 100k, 200, 500k in your trading accounts, you can decide to set the threshold of max instance lower. It mustn't really be from 100:1 ratio. So you can do that based on your discretion. If you are not sure of what to do, join the official Discord and message me. I'm always available to answer your questions right there. So this is the time frame, which that by default it is 5 minutes time frame, and the take profit percent is 1%. Now this is what you should take note with the take profit percent. There's an option here which is to exit total PNL. This exit total PNL tells your bot to close all the position if a certain percentage of profit reach. So if you are telling your AlgoBee to exit total PNL, which is green, which means true or yes. So if you tell your bot to exit total PNL, your bot is going to monitor the overall profit and see, is the overall profit up to the percentage that you put here of your balance. For example, if your balance is 1000 USDT and you say you want your take profit to be 1% and you want to exit total PNL, which is you turn on this button, then what your AlgoBee is going to do is that whenever the profit is up to 1% of $1,000, which is $10, your AlgoBee is going to automatically close the overall positions because the profit target of your balance has reached. So in a scenario in which you want your bot to close trade individually, that is individual pairs, you can decide to turn off exit total PNL. And if exit total PNL is off, your AlgoBee is going to automatically say, okay, your trade volume is what I am going to use to exit this position because I am exiting it individually. So if your trade volume in this case is 10 USDT, your take profit percent is 1%, then your AlgoBee is going to say 1% of your trade volume is going to be the profit target for each of the positions. That's how it works. The max DD, which stands for max drawdown, is the percentage of max drawdown you want to tolerate during backtest. When your AlgoBee trading bot is running a backtest in historical data, it is going to choose the backtest parameters that is not more than 50% of the drawdown in the case of 50%. And the size USDT is where you can set your trade volume. So you can set your trade volume to 5 USDT, or in this case it is 2 USDT, but always make sure that your trade volume should not exceed 2% of your balance, if possible lower than 2% if you have a higher capital. But in the case of $100 deposit, your exchange might not allow you to trade with $2, which is 2% of 100. In that case, you can decide to go with the minimum allowed, which most exchanges allow 5 USDT minimum trade size. So the aggressive is what you can turn on if you want your bot to use aggressive backtest. The aggressive backtest tells your bot to use the most profitable settings as long as the maximum drawdown of that settings is not greater than 50% during the backtest. And the trade alert is where you can turn on if you want your bot to send you trading notifications. So you can turn it on. Your bot will be keeping you updated of what is going on in the crypto market. So here is the button you can use to restore default settings.